Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to learn how to chat on Duolingo latest update, and I'll guide you through each step so you can connect with friends on the app easily. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Duolingo app. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. Step 2. In the menu, look for the bottom bar and find the avatar icon. It's usually located in the lower right corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your profile menu, where all the friend and social options are stored. Step 3. From the profile menu, locate the Add Friends option. This is the main place where you can search for people you know, connect with new users, and manage your social settings. Tap on it to enter the Friends section. Step 4. Inside the Friends section, you'll see several ways to add people. If you want to connect with someone from your phone's contact list, choose the Select from Contacts option. You may need to grant Duolingo permission to access your contacts, which allows it to match phone numbers or emails with existing Duolingo accounts. Step 5. If you want to find someone specific, use the search bar to type their username or name. This method is quick if you know exactly who you're looking for. Another option is to share your profile link. Tap on Share Follower Link. Then choose any app like WhatsApp, Messenger, or email to send it. When they open the link, they can follow you instantly. Step 6. You can also browse and add from Duolingo's suggested contacts list. This list shows people you might know based on mutual connections, similar learning languages, or your activity. Simply tap Add or Follow next to their name, and they'll be added as a friend. Once someone becomes your friend, you can view their profile to see their learning stats, streaks, and progress. However, Duolingo does not currently allow direct chat messaging in the app. Instead, you'll get activity notifications, like when your friend completes a lesson, earns a badge, or beats your score on the leaderboard. This creates a friendly competition and keeps you motivated, even without direct conversation. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.